So we are already put it now. Let's only try. So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I have a new project. So as you can see, this is the throttle of the Xiaomi. So I will going to convert this throttle to YKK controller. So because I want to look like Xiaomi throttle, so we're going to convert this to YKK. So alright guys, so this is my Xiaomi throttle, as you can see. So we're going to put here, and then this will go into this connected, this kind of throttle, but we need the dashboard of YKK. So if I will put this, we're going to disable this. So let's go and let's convert to the YKK. But this YKK is good condition. So we will try. It is running. There we go. So as you can see, it's running. So this controller is good. So just only going to connected this kind of Xiaomi throttle. So let's go and let's connect it now. Okay. So we're going to take out this. And then alright guys, so we're going to put now. So this is the wire, the connection. And then we're going to put it back, the tape. Stop on that. Alright, so we are already put it now, the throttle. Alright guys, so this is wire of the throttle. We're going to hide it here and then put here to down, going to the controller. So let's go and let's put it on. So alright guys, so I already put it now inside the wire. So now we're going to hide it all. Alright, so we are already hide it now, the wire. So now we're going to open the down to see the controller and connect to the wire. Pause. Alright guys, so I already put it now, the wire here from the turtle. So we're going to take the turtle of the controller. So where's the turtle? LCD display, the motor. So this is it. There's the 3 wire. So this is the turtle of the controller. So as you can see, there's a connector. So we're going to try the red from here. This only try, and then the green. And the third is the black. So this one is only just a try, because we don't have a connector, so just only try. And then later we're going to cut and then connect to direct it connect. So now it's already connected now, so we're going to try. So alright guys, so we're going to try. So as you can see, the LCD and then the throttle of the YKK controller is not working now. And then we're going to try the Xiaomi turtle. That's it. Already running on. And then this is disconnected or disabled now. So we're going to take out this kind of lever because we are already connected to the Xiaomi controller. Alright guys, so we are already connected, so we're going to take out because we don't have a connector here. So now we're going to direct all of this from here. So we're going to take out. And also this. So we're going to connect it now. Lock. Then the another one is the green. Alright. Alright guys, so we are already connected now. So let's try it again. Let's open. So we try today. It's not working now. So we're going to try the Xiaomi throttle. So that's it guys. Alright guys, so we are already finished now. So as you can see, so it's already okay now, so that's why this is disabled already. So we need to take out now this kind of lever. Alright, so we are already finished now. So no need now, and then don't have now. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Sign out.